Which one should you actually buy? The brand new AirPods Pro 3 or the lighter AirPods 4 with ANC? Today we're breaking this down like a friend who knows too much about earbuds but won't lecture you. I'll walk you through fit and comfort, durability, controls, sound, battery, and value. And by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your life. Stay tuned, because I'll reveal the one scenario where the cheaper pick actually becomes the smarter move. Think of the AirPods 4 as the classic, barely there Apple earbuds. Open fit, toothbrush head look, and at only 4.3 grams per bud, you can almost forget they're in. Perfect for podcasts, quick commutes, or anyone who hates silicone tips. But real talk, open fit can be hit or miss for security and isolation. The AirPods Pro 3 goes the in-ear route with redesigned silicone tips, 5 sizes from XXS to L, and an inward rotating shape made from scanning thousands of ears. That means better seal, more stability, and actually staying put during workouts. If you care about immersion or a tighter fit, the Pro 3 wins. If comfort and that airy feel matter more, stick with the AirPods 4. If you take your buds everywhere, durability matters. AirPods 4 with ANC are water and dust resistant enough for rainy commutes and sweaty gym sessions. The Pro 3 steps it up with IP57, which can survive brief immersion and is generally more accident-proof. In short, Pro 3 gives you peace of mind for rougher use. Also worth noting, the Pro 3 case supports MagSafe, which is just easier for on-the-go charging. Small conveniences add up, especially when you travel a lot. Both keep that familiar stem-based control scheme, so you're not relearning gestures. Pinch to play, skip, or answer calls, and Siri is still just a voice away. But the Pro 3 sneaks ahead with swipe volume on the stem. It's a tiny thing, but trust me, being able to raise or lower volume without pulling your phone out feels premium. Both models have conversation awareness, spatial audio with head tracking, and the same Apple ecosystem magic like instant pairing and live translation in iOS 26. If health tracking matters, Pro 3 adds heart rate sensors and hearing-focused features that the AirPods 4 don't have. Here's where the debate gets juicy. Open-fit AirPods 4 do an impressive job for their style. Airy stage, clear vocals, and balanced tuning that works great for everyday listening. But sealed in-ear designs nearly always deliver fuller, punchier sound. Apple claims the Pro 3 delivers deeper bass, wider stage, and stronger noise cancellation thanks to the H2 chip and a new multi-port acoustic layout. So if you want flight-friendly isolation, immersive music, or serious ANC for noisy cafes, the Pro 3 is the go-to. If you prefer awareness of your surroundings and a lighter sound signature, the AirPods 4 are perfectly fine. Battery life is a real divider. AirPods 4 manage around 4 hours per charge with ANC on and about 20 hours with the case. The Pro 3 nearly doubled that to around 8 hours per charge and about 24 hours total. For frequent travelers or long listening days, that extra endurance is a game changer. Price-wise, AirPods 4 undercut the Pro 3 by a solid margin. So if budget and comfort top your list, the 4 is an easy pick. If battery, sound, and features matter most, the Pro 3 justify the premium. So which should you buy? If you want the full premium Apple audio experience, better noise cancellation, louder bass, health sensors, and longer battery, get the AirPods Pro 3. If comfort, simplicity, and price are your priorities or you hate silicone tips, the AirPods 4 with ANC are the sweet spot. What do you think? Team Open Fit or Team In-Ear? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear which one you'd pick and why. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next comparison, where we test real-world differences like flight ANC and workout fit.